welcome to another video. This is a short unboxing video because I just need to show you guys what I'm getting and the items that I'm reviewing in this lovely box. Okay, so I open it. Ah! There's a cute card. Okay. Time to review some stuff. Can you guys see what's coming out? Okay, I'm gonna take it out because I'm scared. That's it. I made a mess. Okay, speaking of messes, the first thing we got is these adorable little glitter packs. You can see on the bottom there. Little different colors, so it looks like pink, yellow, orange, gold, blue, and silver. These are so cute. Oh my god, there's no frame. I mean, there's no lens. That's funny. That's super cute though. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are adorable. Now I have to wear these for the rest of the video. What's next? Ah! Look at it, he's so soft. Ah, that's so cute. Okay. Rainbow alpaca sew. So the back has a little hanging clip. Oh, it's extendable. Oh, like I was saying, on the back there's a spot you can put like your bus pass or whatever, or ID or anything that you need shown. And then a little zipper. And then a pouch. You can put like a whole hand in there basically. Also, it's so cute. A little fun kit! Yay! Okay, so it has all the instructions on the back, it looks like. So it's like just Play-Doh? There's literally no English on here, so I don't know. Is that an expiry date? Are those nutrition facts and ingredients? Are these food? Do I eat them? Oh, maybe it's gum. These look like little gum tabs. It has to be. It comes with sprinkles. I'm so excited to play with this. If you want to watch me play with the gum food thing, that will also be available on my blog where I do the review for it. If you're on the blog right now, then that will be somewhere below. If you're not, if you're seeing this video on YouTube, then the link to my blog will also be down below, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching this video.